back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family, and if you were to be here, ya tú sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. Today's video, I am excited. We're gonna be trying on the new KUNAFA palette with the lipsticks. You guys know I love her lipstick. It's like one of my favorite formula. They glide on the lips so nice, and I love them, so I decided that I wanted to give the palette a try out. When I opened it, it's cute, but like nudes again, Kim, like again. I feel like there's so many nude palettes out there. It's like, what we gonna do? Transition colors, you can never have enough, but this one doesn't have transition. This one could be a transition color for somebody lighter. Not for me though, but I like the shimmer and all that, and these two colors are pretty. That's what I'm gonna use. But other than that, I'm like, But I'm gonna try it. I kind of want to have fun. I want to play with it. I changed the backdrop to kind of go with what I'm trying to go with. So we're gonna see what's up, Kim, what's popping. I was sticking with neutrals and pastel colors, or what we're doing. And then before we start, my nails look completely bad. My eczema is acting up on my hands a lot, so that's why my hands are dry. And I don't, if I put lotion, it itch, so all that stuff. And I also don't have acrylics because I'm giving my nails a break, because I feel like every time I go do my nails, they break a week later. I'm just like, do I have to do it again? So I try to file them down as much as I can, but they're still there. So we got ugly hands. Don't come for me. I already primed my eyes. I moisturized my face and put a little bit of primer on, so we are good. I'm thinking, what should we start with? I don't know yet. Let's start with eyes, and then we're gonna go all over the place, see how we start. I'm gonna start with this color. Let's see if this one do something. Babe. Let's see. That didn't do nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in my other palette. These colors right here are by Makeup Forever. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I don't know the number, but I will put it down below for you guys to know. Makeup Forever eyeshadows are freaking bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my crease, and this is what's gonna start, you know, kind of dividing in there and giving you, you know. All right, so we got that color down. Just, you guys see the difference? Boom, 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 right there. Then the other color I'm gonna grab here, the Hit Pan, is one of my favorite transition pinky tones. Is so freaking pretty. I normally put that one like all over my lid, and people always ask me like, what's the color? And I'm like, Makeup Forever, but I don't know the color because I have to take it out of the palette and like see the number in the back. But you see this? It's like a peachy. Look at that. I love this color on my crease. Lid, it just looks beautiful. Everything has to be perfect because we just adding the first layer of the whole everything that we're going for. So then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this pinky tone right here, and I'm just gonna set it in there. That's what we're going for. Let's see. It looks a little white, but it's not. All right, so I literally pat on this pinky situation. So next I'm gonna be grabbing this burgundy color right here. I don't know how to read the names from the back. The last time I did that, I guess that I read them all backwards. So just the burgundy color, and I'm gonna apply that in the corner right here. So what I'm doing, I'm literally dipping the brush in there like thick. Put it on thick like MAC lip gloss. Shake, 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 shake. Start adding right here. Okay, this color, it's not that pigmented because I'm literally dipping in there. Okay, like look. A lot, right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply. And it's not. I already did this like 4 times. See? Like it takes it away. That shouldn't be like that. What the hell? All right, so I'm gonna go with another color. I like the color stuff that we're going with. I like that. I'm gonna grab this burgundy tone, and this one is by Makeup Forever. And you guys are gonna see the difference, what I mean. Like when you dip the color in the eyeshadow and it just set in there, right? You guys are gonna see this, like the difference. See the difference? This is one little apply, and that's already like enough. And for me to get this payoff color with the Kim, I had to dip it in there like more than 10 times. And that's what I meant, that the color payoff, it's not true. The same thing happened with the Jacqueline Hill palette. I was like, what's going on? See? So now I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. Now I want to make it more a little darker. I don't even think that's a word, but that's an Irisbeilin word. I'm gonna grab the Pomegranate palette. I love this freaking palette. I'm gonna grab this purple, dark purple, and we're gonna add that in the corner to there, you know, barely. Oh, see, you see that? You see that payoff in there? This was supposed to be a whole Kim K palette, but it didn't give it to me. So we just gonna go with this other stuff that I have. That's what I wanted. Oh yeah. This is what we wanted. I'm gonna grab again the pinky. Look how much I have to dent on the product. I don't know if you guys see the dent right there. For to grab like a lot of product, so you do have to dip in there. It's not a one swipe and pay off color. Nah, you gotta dip in there for you to get the color that you want. Fight for what you want. Ooh, that's so pretty. All right, so we clean up down here. I was gonna go ahead and do the bottom part, but then I was like, why? Because if you do it, you're gonna have to go back again when you put concealer and blah, 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 blah. So I'm just gonna move into face, foundation, and all that, and then I'm gonna continue with the eyes and the rest of stuff. This tutorial is gonna be hella long, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zones, and I'm giving you guys eye makeup looks, okay? Okay, so grabbing my corrector. You guys already know this part. So for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Marc Shameless in Tan Y80. At first, I didn't like this foundation for some reason. I don't know why I didn't like it. It's more like a medium to full. You can make it full, but it's better to just keep it medium. But after I did a video with Sephora, finding out the best foundation for summer, I fell in love with this foundation. I got to try it out like for a week or so, and I liked it. So we're gonna show it some love today. So that's what we're gonna use. Beauty blender. Going in with the. We're still blending. It's completely fine. 500 minutes later, I'm gonna be grabbing my Shape Tape in Deep for underneath my eyes. All right, concealer is on and popping. I'm gonna grab my Superstay 360 Mocha, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I've been loving this. This foundation is bomb. I always forget to blend the one underneath my eye and the nose. Always. Like, damn. And then grabbing a cute little brush. I'm gonna be grabbing the Rihanna highlight brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend the contour out. I'll blend it out really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead for under eye. Go in with my NARS. This one is Medium Caramel 2. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight it. I'm gonna go ahead and set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Huda yellow powder, and this is just to set and lock in there. Lock. The color Kunafa. I don't know if you could say if it's Kunafa or not. Yes. Now grabbing Too Faced Born This Way in the color medium, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face with this. I remember when I first used it, like this powder is one of my favorites to set my face. I used it to cook under my eyes, but it was a little too yellow. But if you're darker than me, this will look amazing on you. I just got a little and set the face. Oh yes, and move on with eyeshadow again, so we could finish the situation and the eyes look pretty, because right now it looks like it's all over the place. So I'm gonna go again with the Burgundy Tone by Kim, and I'm gonna drag this on the bottom. We're gonna smoke out the bottom and connect it in the corner. I'm just layering it. See, when you lay it. Okay. Then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab. This takes forever. That's why people take doing eyes. I'm like, whoa, that's forever. I'm gonna take the Stay Transition color from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up on top. A little messy situation up here. Make sure this is blended. You don't want harsh colors up here. Make sure you blend that. Now going back with the pomegranate, the dark purple right here, and I'm gonna go on top of the purples in the corner and just set it in there. I'm gonna smoke this out like, hi, how are y'all? We took it there dramatico all the way. That's cute. Then going back with the brush that I apply the, let's say I'm blending or doing something. I forget what I be saying. Transition. I'm going just in the bottom to smooth things out. And if it has a little bit of color, the brush, I don't mind adding it in there. I don't want it to look harsh, like, you know. So, oh, that's pretty. I haven't done anything like this in so long, and I'm feeling it a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back because this video is already like 2,500 minutes long. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Alright, so don't clear my eyebrows. My eyebrows just kind of been doing whatever the heck they want to do because I have to go see my eyebrow lady, and I just haven't have time. But I feel them in with a little bit of situation. I don't like my eyebrows. Don't stare at them. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Lily lashes. Ooh, Miami lashes, you could never go wrong with it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on with bronzer. I'm gonna use Deep Dark. You guys already know what's popping. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze this cheeks up. Now for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the KKW blush that I bought. Let's see if this even do something. I feel like it is. So we're gonna see. Oh, it did do something. Like, oh, it did. This is the color Destiny. It's like the peachy tone. I did. Wow. I wasn't expecting it, but I seen it and I was like, ooh, I like it. In the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to go ahead and apply this one right here. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. Let's see if it's even. I bet you these ones are shimmery. I know these ones are going to go on nice. Oh, yeah. See? That one goes on really nice. Oh, I love the inner corner highlight. Carita, grabbing my Tarte Light Camera Lashes. I love this mascara. So I was gonna go with a nude lip like I normally do, but I said, you know what, I said we can't do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on number 1 and number 2 lipsticks by KKW, Kim Kardashian. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and light my lips with Cork because they are pinky. And we go with a little ashy tone, and I don't want I'm gonna grab number 2 first. Oh, that's kind of pinky, but okay. I haven't done pink like this in a long time, but I feel like it was necessary because of this look. So, and then grabbing number 1. Oh my gosh. Is this like the Oli Cell or something? What? And then of course I have to throw gloss in there. It's not me if I don't throw gloss. I'm gonna be grabbing PATRICKSTARR. I think it's You Better Work. This from his first collaboration with MAC, and it's the nudie pinky. Oh yeah. Oh my god. For highlight, I'm going to be using Pomegranate. I love her eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, I love her eyeshadow palette. And her highlight palette. And I'm just going to apply a little bit because my eyes are really heavy. And we don't want to have so much in there, but just a little bit of, like, hi, how are you? my pinchy. I don't know what to call this. I'm gonna try to find it in Amazon. I bought this from a makeup store here in LA like a long time ago, but this helps just clip your lashes together without no problem, and for it to look a little more open. See the difference? Because sometimes make lashes could just make you look a little sleepy, and if you use a regular curler, it just don't give you the lip that you want. So I love how this would just pick it up. And then some Fix Plus. And I'll be right back. Oh, I love this. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. How we feeling? I love it so much. Even though it was a little hard for me to explain because this is kind of new for me. I'm not used to doing eyeshadow like this. You guys know me. I'm like a one color and I'm ready to go. So it was a little out of my comfort zone, but I loved it. When I was doing it, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna come out. I don't know if it's what I have in mind is gonna come through in the camera, but at the end it did. I promise other videos to be more explanation when I do it. So I'm sorry if I didn't. But I hope you guys enjoy. On the KK palette, what do I have to say? Is it worth it? No. I feel like there's a lot of palettes out there that look like this and with a better pale color. I was trying to do this whole look with this palette and it was impossible because the purple wasn't grabbing into the thing and it was disappearing while it was blending. So that's why I had to step in with the big guns. The fancy, the expensive, you got money palette from MCCGRATH. This palette is so much expensive, but it's completely worth it. I feel like there's a lot of, you know, palettes out there that kind of have these tones and you work. So, you know, but if you like the KKW stuff and you love Kim Kardashian and you got the coin for it, listen, you can buy whatever you want. That's your money. The lipsticks though, I did love the lipsticks. I told you guys from the beginning, from the other video that I made, like swatching her first batch of all the colors that she got. I love the pinky. I haven't done a pinky like this in a long time. I don't really do the nudes and things like that. So it was completely out of my comfort zone, but I loved it. And also pair it with Cork lip liner. That's like my BFF. And the blush, I was surprised. It went exactly how I wanted and I like it. And I want to show you guys the pink tone on the palette. Look how much of a dent it gave me trying to get that on my lid. That's not normal. I have used palettes and done kind of look before, like patting it, and it doesn't leave a hole right that on the eyeshadow. So I was a little like, the color don't have to pay off. So I'm sorry, but like I said, if you like Kim Kardashian KKW, that's your coin, spend it. You know, I'm gonna tell you how to spend your coin. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't to be part of the Crazy Familia, and turn on your notification bells to tell you when I upload, because YouTube been playing everybody and they just don't tell people, and also they unsubscribe without even telling them. I'll be like, damn, all right. But I do see those who support me. I just want to say I love you. I see you and I love you so much. Anyways, thank you for watching and I will see you guys on my next video. Ciao. Besitos.